Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress with Softaculous. Now this is really easy and shouldn't take up to 3 minutes. First, log into cPanel and then scroll down to Softaculous. So you can see over here Softaculous App Installer. Now click on WordPress. Now you can see this small button by the install. So click on this drop down and then select custom install. Now let's change this to HTTPS and then select the domain or subdomain you want to install WordPress. So in my case, I'm installing it on demo.TEEMA.goddowell.com. Okay. Now if you want to install it in a subfolder, then you can specify the folder here. But we are installing it on a subdomain, which you can also install it on a domain this same way. Now select the version of WordPress you want to install. So you should definitely go with the latest version of WordPress. Currently it's 5.9.3. Now enter your site name. So let me call this demo site. And then enter your site description. Okay, so scroll down, select your language. Now you can skip the advanced option if you want, but let me walk you through. Now this is the database name and this is the table prefix. So if you want our WordPress site to be automatically backed up, then you can select the backup location. So let's keep it default and then select automatic backup if you want it to happen once a day or once a week. So I think this will really drain our web server. So let's say once a month. So our WordPress site will back up once in a month. Now you can see the backup rotation over here. Now if you set the backup rotation to 3, we are going to have 3 backup every time. So for example, our WordPress site was backed up for January, February and March. Once the April backup comes, the January backup is going to be deleted. So we're going to have 3 current backup. So we can just set this to 1. And then select the theme. This is a default theme. You can change this after the installation. So let's just go with 2022. Yeah, I think this is okay. And then click on select theme down. Yes. And one of the most important things which you shouldn't forget is your admin login details. So scroll up and you can see by the right side admin account. Now this is the admin account you're going to use to log into your WordPress site. So take note of this. Now let's enter an admin username. So let's call this demo admin and then the admin password. So let's just maybe something random. I think this is okay. Now make sure you keep note of your username and password. So make sure you save it in a notepad. So I will just save this. This is the password and the username is demo admin. And then the admin email. This is the administrative email. So if there is any notification on your WordPress site, this is where the mail is going to be sent. So make sure you use an active mail. Now we are done. So scroll down and then click on install. This should take about 1 minute, maximum 2 minutes. And our WordPress website is good to go. So let's view our website and let's also view the admin dashboard. So this is our new WordPress website, which is currently fine and running. And this is our admin dashboard where we can manage and customize our site. You can watch other of my videos on how to build a successful WordPress website on different niche without coding. The link will be provided in the video description. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.